Congrats! Taray naman. Have you always had this in mind, yung ganitong collaboration?
For me, this is a clear God's blessing. I never imagined myself that one day that one of my film is gonna be distributed lang isang Warner Brothers, isang international company, and like what Tricia said, there is a certain standard kasi na kailangan i-reach. So, yung nalaman ko na nag-go yung partnership, malaking bagay siya for me. For one thing, it says a lot kung anong quality ng pelikula. And then at the same time, that the decision that I did during the pre-production, the principal photography, up to the post-production, is tama yung mga decision.
Pero like, pinanood nila yung buong film?
Yes,
when they
did. They did. Pinanood nila yung buong pelikula. So, nung pinanood nila yung buong pelikula, doon palang malalaman
kung magpa-partnership.
Kung magkakaroon ng partnership. So, para madugo yung process kasi from pre-production pa lang to principal photography, mahaba mahaba yung ang dami nilang kailangan, ang daming i-assure from the pitch, ganon. Not to mention the legalities pa. So, nung bumaba yun na, okay, we're gonna watch the film. Once it's ready na kayo pakita or tapos na siya, yun. So, nung napanood nila, doon na sila nagsabi right after na. Okay,
so, may assurance na talaga na parang Hollywood quality somehow, di ba?
So, sobrang grateful ako sa
So, will this have a Hollywood premiere as well? Paano yung distribution outside the Philippines?
Hindi ko pa pwede sabihin, hindi ako makakapagsabi, pero there are plans, yes. There are plans na kung anong i-reach out nung pelikula. Like what Ricky says kanina, there's a talk for a regional distribution and then a possibility of worldwide later on. Kumbaga, it really depends kung how things will perform.
Pero yung partnership na to per film or parang...
As of now, we were just talking about for Malyari. But we were already on the talks of the other projects after Malyari, kumbaga. So, I cannot disclose yet the other details, but basically ganun yung takbo. Kumbaga, syempre, hindi mo naman din kumbaga, naka-project siya ngayon. But I'm grateful na parang they are already open for the idea na, okay, let's do another one. Alam mo yun. And it's a big deal.
Correct.
Kasi it means na later on, like what Rico says na, it will bring us more opportunities for a co-production or a possibility na mas malaki yung reach ng audience. Yung mga ganun.
At mas may budget na kung kailangan i-PR for awards, ganyan, di ba? Kasi doon tayo natutsaka eh.
Yes, so kumbaga, definitely the PR mo, the marketing, the promo, you are not just looking on, kumbaga, sa isang corner lang. Tinitignan mo na siya on a much bigger audience. Kumbaga, reach out mo, yung mga ganun bagay.
Taray, congratulations!
So, changes sa pagpasok ng Warner Brothers, syempre mas lumaki yung production. So, ano mga naging pagbabago?
I'm so grateful naman kasi hindi sila nakialam sa akin on stage ng okay, baguhin mo to, yung mga ganun. In terms of creatives, they know the story, they've read the script, pero hindi sila nakialam sa call ng creatives.
And how it is executed, hindi rin.
Hindi sila nakialam.
Parang start to ba? Parang alam na for ano siya ng Warner sa partner dito?
Well, when we were shooting the material noon pa, is kumbaga, nasa top of the head na namin. Okay. Kasi, this is for Warner. That's why there are pictures na nilabas na pictures namin ng Warner na bumisita sila sa set. So, it was given na. Pero yung during nung ano na yan, kumbaga, nalaman na lang namin the final decision of Warner is nung right after the preview. Doon na lang namin nalaman na, okay, we're gonna go with it. Yun. Sinabi rin naman nila sa amin, harapan, right after nung sila mag-preview. Once, nung natapos na yung preview, okay, we're gonna go with it.
Ba yun may...
Ganang ka, as in, parang panood. They just discuss some of the things that what we're going to do next, what are the steps that should be taken after, and then, salikay na nila, okay, we're going to take this film to distribute.
So, mas may pressure ba na this gets more recognition, especially during the awards night or more box office success?
Siyempre may mga ganong pressure, pero ako kasi mas tinitignan ko na parang for now, I'm just so grateful that it opens a lot of doors for filmmakers because right now, it changed the landscape of the playing field. Na parang sinasabi na natin na parang, okay, this is open, and now, there's a lot of things na, ang daming possibilities na pwede mangyari.
Pero hindi ka malulungkot pag pag hindi ka married.
Best director.
Hindi naman. Ay, kaibigan ko rin naman kasi yung mga
Kalaban, yes.
Siyempre, diba?
Pag ganun ba, like, di ba kaibigan mo yung kalaban mo, tapos alam mong kalaban mo sila, nag-uusap-usap kayo? Like ngayon, nag-uusap, o yung mo, ganun, may ganun ba kayo?
Kapag nagkikita kami, yes. So, pero more than anything, syempre kahit paano nag-uusap-usap kayo, o kamusta na project mo, ikaw, kamusta na rin.
Okay.
Mga ganun. No?
So friendly competition naman. Okay.
No? Lalo pa mga ka-batchmate ko din sa Cinema For example, Lemwell. Kalala ko si Lem yun. Si Zig, kalala ko si Zig.
Good luck din rin.
Salamat.